It is important for us to say that the genesis of this matter is the disrespect to the current Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, and I still hold on to the my statement that the Deputy President, who is also the Deputy Party Leader of the United Democratic Alliance, must be respected and given the respect deserving of that position. He is also the Deputy President of this Republic. On the second matter, I would want to say that indeed any threats from Honorable Cleophas Malala are just hot air because he holds no substantial position in the party. Nobody elected him. And yes, I think I would want to say that Honorable Cleophas Malala, being in the United Democratic Alliance as Secretary General, is just like a square peg in a round hole. It does not fit. And therefore, I think he should hold on to his horses as we carry on with the elections that are ongoing. And one of the targets must be that we'll be able to get him out of that position. And I have said this before, and I will repeat, that you must be in a party to bring value. And any value to the party is the membership that you bring and the drive that you bring into it. And unfortunately, that is not visible. Last but not least, I think I must say this. We have come from an era where we were gagged. You could not say what you thought and we could not speak our minds. We were almost denied freedom of expression. It is unfortunate that we are almost heading in the same direction. The UDA party and the Kenya Kwanza government was never founded on such tenets where you will not be allowed to say what you think and what you believe in. And therefore, it is my pledge that we must keep on being allowed to speak. We will speak our minds now, tomorrow, and we will continue speaking what we think is good for this country and